Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Again, Bolt Action Fun Time here, and I was able to get 3 more of the My Little Pony Friendship is Magic trading cards that I will be unboxing again. And I was able to pop up the standees from the last video. They actually look really nice. I mean, they did a good job with those. They're not flimsy at all. They're actually very durable. But anyway, the rest of the cards, I put them on this binder, this Japanese binder, and let's just get right to it. So, again, 5 cards per set. If you saw the previous video, you already know what the description says. So I'll just set the camera down, and stupid camera, and then let's just start opening these. Now I know it's moving a tad bit. It's because it's on a wire. Confound these cards, they drive me to... Nah, I ripped it again. I always seem to rip the Fluttershy and Rarity ones. I don't quite understand it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Brayburn. Appaloosa. What else do I got? Mustang. Mustang. Tank the turtle. Tortoise. He's a tortoise who can stick his head out his butt. The Day Spa. Oh, I wonder if they mention Locust and Aloe. Oh, they do. It says right here, unwind with lotus and aloe herbal soak in a hot tub. Well, I guess Lotus and Aloe are now canon names. Good job, Hasbro. What do we got now? Oh, you can't see it, but this is a foil Scootaloo. Scootaloo! Member of the Cutie Mark Crusaders. That's nice. I like Scootaloo. Another Luna Cutie Mark tattoo. That's my second one. Another day, another dungeon. You got Rainbow Dash being Hoodie Ninja. Alright, let's... Sorry if I'm making this short, but let's open the next one. The Twilight and Pinky one. I want to open it clean. No! Open. Come on. Oh! Yeah. That's a keeper. Vinyl Scratch and DJ Pony. Will they ever perform in a duet? Only time will tell. Nice. Nice. Owlicious. I didn't know this was a card. Who? Owlicious. Alright, cool. Cloudsdale. Hi. Oh! Oh! Look at that. Derpy is a card. Derpy is a card. Oh my god. That convinces me to buy more. Oh. Shining Armor. As a foil. And... Oh. Oh! He's a puzzle piece. Oh, it says puzzle 9 out of 9. Okay. Oh, it's a tattoo. Ooh. Those are some nice tattoos. Not really looking at the camera right now, so... Meet the Apple Family. It's, from the first episode. Okay, that's a trivia card. Alright, let's open the last one. Just to get this over with. I want to put these cards in foils already. Come on, Apple Dash Pack. Open. There we go. Alright, let's see. Apple Bloom. Anything noteworthy? Doop 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 doop. Don't be fooled by her ribbon. She is a big pony. That's what it says on the bottom. Huh. Snips and snails. Well, if I get snips and snails, I better get Trixie. Ponyville Schoolhouse. Alright. Yeah! Foil Rainbow Dash. Foil Rainbow Dash. Foil Rainbow Dash. Foil Rainbow Dash. 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 What's the tattoo? Ooh. What a lovely tattoo. I know someone who might want that. And the big doozy. You got a picture of the Hydra there. It's another trivia card. Okay, yeah. Much shorter video. I didn't get another standee, but all the foil cards kind of make up for it. So, yeah, glare. Yep. That's gonna be a wrap. Have a nice day.